welcome back. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and like this video. Thank you. So I'm gonna dye the hair blue. Of course, this is the hair I'm using, the 613 super blonde, you already know. And I'm using this color dye, different kind of blues. So I have a blue and I have like a dark blue. I'm gonna be using more of the light blue and just one of the dark blue, I'm sure. And this color, you might think, why do you have clear dye? The clear dye only make it, just give it some shine, just add a dash of shine. That's it. It does nothing but just to add shine. Yeah, as you can see, inside is completely clear. There's no color at all. Just give it a color of shine. As I've said. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. I got these clips from the dollar store. This is just for me to clip the hair. I'm gonna show you later on. You're gonna see how it actually works and what I use it for. It's $1. You also need a gloves because you want to put gloves on, or else your hand is gonna be blue. You have the hanger is to hang the bundles after you decolor it, and also allow it to dry faster. You will need a bowl. I got this from the dollar store, and also this little iron thing from the dollar store. It is only to dye hair, not to cook. So it's only $1, so I think it was a good investment. And also, this is exactly how it looked like. You use the clips to unfold the bundle, so that way every part of the hair will have the color. And this is how all the bundles look. All 3 bundles are in there, as you can see. The top off on all of the bottles, which kind of make it easier and make things go faster and make it less messy as you continue to dye the hair. So as you can see, keep watching the video to see everything that I use, and hopefully you try it and it'll work for you. Comments on this video, please, if you like it, and also share this video. Please subscribe and follow me and watch my other videos. I have multiple videos. I'll be posting videos every week about hair or also about makeup, different things. So this is how the hair is, and here is the end and how the hair actually look. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Follow me on social media or TikTok, Henricka Beauty. Bye.